Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to fix sound not working in Arc Raiders on your PC. If you're not hearing any audio in the game, don't worry. Follow these simple steps and we'll get it fixed. Solution 1. Open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound, then Open Sound. In the Playback tab, make sure your speakers or headphones are set as default. Just select your device and click Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Levels tab. Make sure the volume slider isn't set too low or muted. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 3. In the same Properties window, open the Advanced tab. Under Default Format, set your sample rate to 48 kHz or 44.1 kHz. Uncheck the box that says Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Go to the Spatial Sound tab. From the drop-down menu, select Off to disable spatial sound. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Open the Driver tab and click Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Solution 6. In Device Manager, go back to your audio device. Right-click it again and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your driver and click Next. Once installed, restart your PC to apply the changes. Solution 7. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager again. Expand to Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers and wait for the update to complete. Solution 8. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open the app and go to the Driver tab. Click Check for updates. If a new update is available, download and install it. After the update, launch Arc Raiders and test the sound. And that's it! You've just fixed the sound issues in Arc Raiders. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.